BigChange have been absolutely crucial for our development. They are very much focused on their customers and their success. Nirvana Maintenance was founded 11 years ago. We started that company primarily offering electrical services to residential block and estate managers. We have diversified over the last 11 years to provide a full range of suite of services, from electrical services, M&E services, fire safety, general building maintenance, and also cleaning and groundskeeping. We're one of the early adopters with BigChange. We've had this software integrated with our systems now for 6 years, and over that 6-year period we have developed, but BigChange have developed as well. BigChange and Nirvana as our group of companies are very well aligned because both growing businesses, both forward thinking and ultimately successful as well. Having live visibility on where your operatives are, not only geographically around the country, but also where they are in a particular stage of a job. So you can have live access to their job cards and their worksheets. So if an operative is stuck on a certain aspect, or we get a phone call from a client, our admin team can access a job in real time and see the before photographs and what report has been filled out up to a certain stage. And that means that we can give quick, easy responses to clients. In the next 5 to 10 years, we will be fully established in every region of the UK. We'll have directly employed operatives in every single region and significant growth within that. We're very excited for the future, and with BigChange it means that we can scale the business. We've got a very clear path and strategy around that. We have complete trust and confidence in the software. With BigChange, we absolutely feel unstoppable, that there's nothing holding us back now. It's about capitalising on the opportunities. So yes, absolutely, we're one of the unstoppables.